So if you ever wondered, hey, truckers have showers, what it was like, I decided I'd stop it at Love's and check it out. We got a nice dirty fan, bench, towels, sink, the shower. Thank God we have shower shoes, toilet. It's probably the most surprising thing is, it smells good in here. It smells clean. That floor in there don't look so clean, but that's why we have shower shoes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this shower because it's been a long couple days, and yeah, we'll do a review afterwards. Ooh. All right, so that was refreshing. Hit the spot. Now, time for that long drive. All right, but warm water. Like I said, seems pretty clean in here. Bring your shower shoes, bring your soap, you'll be good to go. All right, so it was like $9 something for the shower. Totally worth it in my opinion. So, all right, lock off for now.
Every time you close your eyes, dream of me. I wanna be a fantasy. Imagine the water falling all on me. I wanna